Hey, before you adjust another volume slider or tell yourself it's fine, let's talk about what real sound feels like. DHT-S218. This is for you if you're the kind of person who senses when a scene should hit deeper, when footsteps should have weight, when music should fill the room instead of just playing out of it. You've lived with flat, tinny audio long enough, and the moment you turn this on, you feel the difference without even thinking. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Devices like this move quicker than most TVs, and hesitation is how interest turns into regret. You remember the nights your old setup just couldn't deliver. Dialogue that felt thin. Explosions that sounded boxy instead of powerful. That constant tap on the remote trying to fix the sound because nothing ever felt anchored. That's when you knew you didn't want better specs, you wanted real sound. The first time you power this up, something settles. Voices suddenly sit in front of you the way they should. Ambience feels wide, not tinny. Bass doesn't boom uncontrollably, it breathes under the mix the way it should, and that's a relief you don't expect until it happens. Imagine evenings where movie soundtracks actually hit. Action scenes where audio feels layered instead of jumbled. Gaming moments where footsteps and effects have direction and depth. Even late-night TV suddenly sounds fuller without blasting the volume. Once you feel that level of coherence, going back to weaker systems feels like missing half of what's happening on screen. Don't wait on pricing quirks or stock fluctuations. Bars with Atmos and eARC that actually deliver tend to disappear fast, and waiting usually means paying more or losing out entirely. You might be thinking, it's just a soundbar. That doubt fades immediately. The surprise isn't just louder. It's how it organizes sound, like someone lifted a veil you didn't even realize was there. Music feels richer. Effects feel intentional. Dialogue feels anchored. That shift changes how you experience content, not just how it sounds. Owning this feels different. You sit down and feel confident that your audio finally matches your screen. You stop apologizing for weak sound. You stop adjusting settings. It simply performs. You feel bass that lands with authority. You feel clarity where there was muddiness. You feel immersion that pulls you in deeper. You feel harmony between screen and sound. It's not the cheapest gadget you'll see. And it's built for people who actually care about how audio feels. At some point, you leave comparison mode. You stop scanning specs. You choose the setup that already feels like the one you wanted. Check the price while it still feels right. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you think about later, wishing you'd acted when it felt this obvious.